Hello everyone, this is Tatyana and welcome to my channel. Where do I even start? It's almost as if my nails are just a magnet for greenies. I had noticed a little bit of lifting, but I didn't think it was going to be anything more than that. But as I took down the prior product, the terrible green started to peek through. So I decided to get my camera and film in order to share this with you guys and hopefully provide some helpful tips. When lifting occurs, this creates a small bubble between the product and your natural nail. Then within this bubble, moisture begins to build up and become the perfect place for bacteria to grow. In my case, the greenie isn't that bad. And since this isn't a fungus, it can be simply cleaned up and coated over in a gel. So with my nail drill, I'm taking down all of the product and removing the lifting. From the moment the lifting is removed and everything is cleaned up, the bacteria is dead and won't spread any further. However, something that is very important when dealing with a greenie is removing all of the prior product. And that little bit of green that is still there is simply discoloration. So after removing the lifting with my nail drill, I'm coating this area in an acidic primer and then coating my nail in a builder gel. I'm coating my nail in a fiberglass gel and leaving it as is without any color on top for at least a couple weeks. Then I'll be able to coat my nails and complete a super fun design. Two weeks have passed, and because my nails haven't grown out nice and evenly, I decided it's time to clip off the free edge and freshen them all up. So I'm saying goodbye to the free edge and goodbye to the length, but not for long. After clipping off the free edge, I'm taking my nail drill and cleaning up the cuticle area. And further, I'm prepping the nail plate. I'm dehydrating my nails, applying an acidic primer and a base coat. To create my extensions today, I've decided to use dual forms. However, I'll be using the dual forms like dual nail tips. So I'm taking a clear polygel and spreading it throughout the dual form. Then I'm placing the tip onto my nail and placing on a nail clip. Then with my brush, I'm spreading out the polygel underneath and letting them cure underneath the lamp for 10 seconds. Further, I'm pinching the nail form. The time for pinching really depends on the product's thickness and the thickness of the layer. After pinching the nail, I'm letting it cure for about a minute. Then with my nail drill and a nail file, I'm taking down the steps in the product and any excess product. There is a little bit of excess product on the sides, but overall the shape turned out perfect. Then I'm taking this lovely pinkish builder gel and creating the nail structure. And my nails are ready for the design. Today's design was inspired by these super cool heels that I saw on Instagram. I love taking ideas from clothing and shoes, and when I saw these heels and the contrast of black against the holographic accents, I thought it looked amazing. So with the help of base coat, I'm sticking on this beautiful foil. I've let them cure, and now with my nail file, I'm filing down any excess. And it's very important when filing foil to file in one direction. Unfortunately, because of the arch in my nail, the foil is sticking up a little bit. So in order to take care of that, I'm adding an additional layer of a clear builder gel. I've chosen this 3-in-1 gel as a base coat could yellow and a typical builder gel would be far too thick. Now the surface is nice and smooth. All there is to do now is a little buffing and to finish off your design in a beautifully pigmented black gel polish. Then with a very thin brush, I'm creating a precise line by the cuticle and foil. This design kind of reminds me of the lava lamp manicure I did before. I had so much fun with that design. And now I'm coating everything in a matte top coat. The top coat should be satin and not velvety, otherwise we won't be able to coat the foil area in a glossy top coat. And here they are. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and this design is so unique. I hope you all found this video helpful, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, and until next time.